Some of the best places to eat in West Tennessee are homegrown. There are out-of-the-way cafes. Country music fans know Darryl Worley, and the folks in Savannah know the Worley Bird Cafe.
Well, me and Beverly were sitting, we play Yahtzee a lot, and we were sitting playing Yahtzee, and we came over to Long John Silver's, and they said this little restaurant was going up for auction. So we went home, played Yahtzee, talked about it, and before we knew it, we had it. We got it May 20th, 2002.
Beverly is Darryl Worley's wife, and she and Teresa have turned this little cafe into a Darryl Worley tribute.
We've got plenty of stuff, as you can see, on the walls, and a lot of stuff. Most of the stuff was given to us by Darryl. You know, he's always given us things, and a lot of people say it looks like a scrapbook. You walk into a scrapbook of Darryl Worley.
It's fun to look at the walls filled with celebrity photographs, platinum records, posters, and some interesting signatures.
The signatures on the wall, when we first opened up, we started it out as if you could come in here. We had a little stage area set up there, and you could come in here, and if you could sing, you got to sign the wall. We'd give you your dinner, and you got to sign the wall. And we did it for a long time, and then we started getting people in here that really couldn't sing, and it was like kind of running our customers off, so we kind of quit. But we've got some famous people up there that have signed the wall that have been in here and ate.
But the food is what brings you back. Good down-home cooking, from steaks to prime rib to homemade desserts and sauces.
Great place to eat. Friendly people, food delicious. You can't beat Hardin County. We love it. Worley Birds.
My favorite is the fried chicken tenders. I love the fried chicken tenders. They're really good, and the honey mustard.
And those chicken tenders are hand-dipped. You can order off the menu or just saunter up to the buffet, which hosts a variety of Southern favorites.
Well, we've actually talked about going bigger, but we're not going to because we like keeping it small. It's a lot of family coming in here. We think of all the people as family. And most of the people that come in, we know them by name. If we don't know their name, we know what they drink and what they eat, and that's what we know them by.